Hello everyone, my name is Sharad. Welcome to Tech Programming CSIT. In this video, let us see the best free online courses for learning graphic designing. All these courses which I will tell you in this video are free of cost, and after completion of the courses you will get certificate. So why to waste money in earning such expensive college and university degrees? After getting certificate, it shows that you have the basics understanding of the basic concepts. This will improve your creative skills and you can upload it on your LinkedIn profile. You can create presentations, websites, logos, business cards, postcards, invitation cards, flyers, banners, and much more. All this you can do. You can build your career. You can become freelancer or you can start your own brand. After learning graphic design, you will learn how to maintain websites, how to edit and process photos and images. You will get to know about the different tools and softwares which are used for editing: Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, Adobe, XD, PicsArt, InShots, etc. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first course in our list is Google UX Design Professional Certificate. This course is offered by Google. After this course, you can make your career in UX design. In this program, you will learn in-demand skills that will make you job ready in less than 6 months. For pursuing this course, you don't need any degree or experience. So even if you are a beginner, you can follow this course and make the most benefit out of it. The second course in our list is Graphic Design Specialization. So in this course, you can learn and apply the principles of graphic designing for creating branding project. Here, you will learn everything you need to know to work in interface design, motion graphics, and editorial design. You will gain the fundamental skills needed to become a graphic designer. You can check out the skills which you will learn after completion of this course. The next course in our list is Fundamentals of Graphic Design. This course is a part of graphic design specialization. So here you will learn all about the basics of graphic designing, typography, color theory, design theory. All the fundamentals will be covered in this course. The next course in our list is Graphic Design. This course is a part of effective communication, writing, design, and presentation specialization. This course is offered by University of Colorado Boulder. The last course in our list is Graphic Design Elements for Non-Designer Specialization. So this course is very important for those who don't have any background in graphic designing. Here you will study design layout and all the concepts including typography, color theory, image selection, layout design. You can design creative projects including business cards, brochures, ads, websites, and manuals. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any suggestion or queries, then you can ask in the comment box. For more interesting videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.